Hello, today we're going to install a ShinePay LaundrySpark on this LaundryLux Encore machine. With us today we got an LLCD1 spark, a number 31 harness, and our service key for our service compartment. The first step of any ShinePay installation is to make sure the power is removed from the machine. After that, we're going to open the service compartment and we're going to find the coin acceptor plugged into the machine. We're going to grab our harness and we're going to unplug the coin acceptor from the machine. If we want to keep coins, today we do, we're going to plug the coin acceptor into the harness like that. And if we want, and then we're going to plug the harness into the machine like that. We're also going to plug power in with this connector like that. Then we're going to plug our LaundrySpark in, tuck it nicely inside, put our service compartment door in, close it up, and pull it out. And now we're ready to set up our LaundrySpark on Shine Insights. Thank you for watching.